Hello class, I am John Anthony Mijares and I am your teacher. And everyone, good morning. Okay, before you take your seats, kindly pick up some pieces of paper and garbages under your chairs. And please arrange your chairs properly. Okay, very good. Okay, for this time, let us all stand and George, please kindly lead the prayer. Everybody, bow down your head and close your eyes and let us pray. O God, Almighty, behold us, thy loving children, and help us, dear Lord, to be diligent in our studies, and to be kind to our classmates, and to be obedient to our teachers. May you always grant us to follow your way. Amen. Okay, everybody, you may settle down now. But let us first check your attendance. Uh, Class secretary, may I know who are the absent for today? None? Okay, that's good. So, since there is no absent for today, give yourself a round of applause. Okay, in order for us to make our class successful for today, let me present to you the rules of our class. So first, let everybody please read synchronously. First, be attentive to teacher while teaching. Cooperate and participate actively. Raise your hand and wait to speak, and follow the directions during activity. And do not forget to respect everyone. Is that understood, class? Okay. All right. Very good. So now we will first have a groupings. So we have a rows here at the class. So at the first row, Micah, please stand up. For the second row, James, please stand up. And for the third row, Ben, please stand up. So, at the rest of the class, you are going to write your name in a 1/8 sheet of paper. And then after that, you are going to scroll that and unfold. And then, you are going to pass it forward. And those representatives that I select will be the one to pass the names here on front. Is that clear? Okay. Uh, I'll be giving you 2 minutes to do your task. Okay, everyone. Very good. Uh, you are done right now, right? So, representative, please come in front and please since we have a 30 students here, you are going to select at least 8 names, 10 names rather, each one of you. Okay, Micah, James, and Ben. So, go back to your seats and then find your members. Then arrange your chairs in a circle form. Is that clear? Okay, I'll be giving you 1 minute to do your task. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. Since you have your members already, choose your leaders. And now, I will present to you the standards for this class. So we have here the team that got correct answer will have a yellow star, which is equivalent to 100 points. And second, the team that behaves well will be having a red star, which is 50 points. And the team that finished the activity earlier will be having orange star, which is 30 points. And the team that cooperates or participates will have a sky blue star, which is 20 points. Here, the first one there will be the team water. That is your group name. And the team there will be the team wind. And the last team will be the team people and animals. So as what you can see, your Christmas tree are empty. So what you are going to do is that you have to exert your effort to achieve our standards, so you will gain more stars and make your Christmas tree even look brighter and merrier. Is that clear? Okay, so now, uh, uh, okay, so before we proceed to our next topic, let us first have a review of what we have discussed last meeting. So what was our topic all about? Anyone? Okay, very good. We talk about the three layers of soil last time. So, what are the three layers of soil? Group 1 are team water. Okay, very good. Topsoil. So you have the yellow star because you got the correct answer. And what else? In this layer, team wind, what is this? Okay, subsoil. So you have the correct answer. And for the team people and animals, what do you think is this layer? Okay, this is the soil bedrock. Excellent. Since you have the correct answer, let us give Team Water a durian clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ha! Okay, thank you. So for the Team Wind, let us give a Dunisha clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. So for the team people and animals, let us give them a fireworks clap. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Psh. Okay, thank you everyone. So, by the way, what is topsoil? Okay. Yes, topsoil is the thin, rich layer where most nutrients for plants are found. And the subsoil is made up of sand, silt, and clay that have been broken down all the way. And the soil bedrock in this third layer, which is the lowest layer of soil, and it is the solid rock layer. So I I think everybody knows this everything well. So congratulations everyone. Let us give yourself a round of applause. Okay. Okay class, are you familiar with the game we called exchanging seats? Okay, very good. So, what you are going to do right now is to do that game. So, if I say, Team Water, go to the seats of Team Wind, and Team Wind, go to the seats of Team People and Animals. So, if I count 10, you should freeze. So, the first team that can settle down on seats earlier will be our winner. Okay? Say, Team Water, go to the seats of Team Wind. Team Wind, go to the seats of Team People and Animals. Team People and Animals, go to the seats of Team Water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, time's up. So, the first team that sits earlier is the team water. Okay, let us give them a round of applause. Okay, Team Water, you are the team that finished the activity earlier. So you will have a orange star, which is equivalent to 30 points. So clap your hands for a job well done, everybody. Okay, class, in your game exchanging seats, uh, did you enjoy your activity? Okay, very good. Then, what have you observed in doing your activity? Okay, the chairs move and disalign and reshape. What do you think the factors that moves the chairs apart? Okay, the human activity, your movements, right? Okay, just like the soil class, there are factors that can move the soil, that can cause soil erosion. Understand? Okay, for you to understand everything better, I uh, I would like you to draw your eyes in these pictures or images. So what can you say about these pictures? So these are the factors that affects soil erosion. From this first picture, what do you think is the factors that involves you? Okay, very good. People. So there are peoples here that are farming and that cause soil erosion. And to the second picture, what did you see? What do you see? So you see that there are animals and they overgraze the land. They dig and drag. Then that affects soil erosion. The next one is, what do you think is the factor in this picture? Okay, the water. Water can wash the soil away. And for our last picture, we have here, what do you think that factor? Very good, the wind. So, where there is wind, a constant wind can blow the soil away. So we have here, I would like you to present that these are our topic for the day. The soil erosion. We have here the factors affecting the soil erosion and the soil erosion, its definition and its factors, and the pros and cons of soil erosion, and some ways to prevent the soil erosion. Okay, everybody, please read the definition of soil erosion synchronously. Soil erosion is the moving away of soil from one place to another. So soil may be carried by wind, water, people, and animals, which are the factors that affect soil erosion. When water flowed through the soil, the water moved the soil to another place. Then wind can move and carry small particles of soil and can cause soil erosion. People and animals can also contribute soil erosion by their daily activities like farming and digging or dragging the ground. So here, the soil erosion is the moving away of soil, meaning this is the process in which the soil is being moved or erode. So we have four factors: the wind, the water, the people, and animals. And how does the wind uh, move the soil? This is when the wind blow the soil. Just like when there is a whirlwind or a strong wind during typhoon, then soil can be moved away. And next is water. Water can cause soil erosion when it will make a strong force to move the soil. Just like when there is a flash flood or uh, when there is a strong rains that creates a big impact to wash the soil away, especially in the slope areas. Next is the people. The people can cause soil erosion by their, for example, their daily activities, just like even walking, dragging, or just like uh, digging a well or building a house or anything, no? That affects the soil. And next is animals. Animals can cause soil erosion when they drag and dig or overgraze the ground. That's it. Okay, for example, have you seen a cow that is digging, or uh, what is the goat or horses that overgraze the ground? Then that is an example how the animals contribute soil erosion. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Very good. So now let us proceed to the pros and cons of soil erosion, or the advantages and disadvantages of soil erosion. So the disadvantages of soil erosion are that the effects of it go beyond the loss of fertile land. It has led to increased pollution and sedimentation in the streams and rivers, clogging these waterways and causing declines in fish and other species. And degraded land are often less able to hold water, which can worsen flooding. While its disadvantages are that it builds new landscape, helps distribute essential nutrients, and cleanses the soil by removing toxic materials accumulated on the ground. So in this, the disadvantages of this is very something that is a hazard. Just like where there is a soil erosion, it can contribute to the loss of fertile land. Why? Because the topsoil will go uh, downside, and then we know that the topsoil is the layer of the land that that is rich in nutrients in order for the plants to grow healthier. So when that happens, uh, it will contribute to loss of fertility on that soil. Next is that uh, when there is a soil erosion, just like at the riverside, when the slope, when the land beside that will bar down, so what will happen is that the fishes that is making their habitats on that place will lessen their species. Why? Because as the land go over with that water, they will be having a less environment to live in. Then that can result to the less species to grow in that particular uh, place. Next is that degraded land are often less able to hold water, which can worsen flooding, because where there is a soil erosion, those waterways can be clogged, and the water which supposed to run in that waterways will shift its way to, for example, in the rice field or in other places that can damage the farm or other properties. That's it. While it is has so many disadvantages, there is also an advantages. Just like it helps to build a new landscape and contributes essential nutrients. And what else? Remove the
Cleanses.
toxic materials accumulated on the land. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Very good. Next, let us give some ways to prevent soil erosion. So we can mitigate and prevent the hazardous impact of soil erosion by planting more trees and shrubs, building proper drainage system, preventing deforestations, adding mulch and rocks, especially in slope areas, turn hillside into terraces, and more other ways to prevent soil erosion. Okay, class, that is some practices that you have to make your habit or hub. Uh, this is for us to protect our environment. Okay, you have now the idea to do that. You can apply it at the backyard of your house or and your in your farm. So that's it. Have you got Okay, class, have you got any questions? Okay, if none, I'm sure you understand a lot with this topic. So let us generalize everything. Okay, class, let us generalize everything. So, finish the statements. Okay? Today, I've learned that is soil erosion is the moving away of soil from one place to another. Okay? Next, I also learned that there are four different factors that carried away soil, and they are the water, the wind, and the animals and the people. Next, I also learned that water can affect soil erosion when it flowed through the soil. Then the water moved the soil to another place. And also the wind, as it can blow the tiny particles of soil and can cause soil erosion, as well as the people and animals by uh, their daily activities like farming and digging or dragging the ground. Okay? Did you understand everything, class? Have you got any questions? None? Okay, very good. So now, since I observe that all the groups behaves well, I will give you a 50 points. For the team water and for the team wind and for the team people and animals. Okay. Okay, class, for your application, then uh, everybody please read the selection carefully, and after that you will be having your activity. So, your group activity rather. So in 1991, the big flood and landslide in Ormoc City destroyed properties and killed thousands of people. The government has passed laws to selective logging and deforestation. It prohibits kaingin systems and promotes clean and green projects. So for the team water, uh, you are going to answer this question. And for the team wind, this will be your question. And for the team people and animals, this will be your question. Now, I'll be giving you 5 minutes to do your activity. So you have to help your one another in doing or in answering your task. That's it, and good luck. Okay, time's up. So, are you done? Okay, very good. So, let us try to check your answers. So, for the team water, what are the major causes of flood and landslide in Ormoc City? So, the answer is this: illegal logging, deforestations, and kaingin system. Okay, let us try to check. Team water, is your answer is correct? Okay, team water, let us give them the round of applause, and because your answer is correct. So I will give you points for your participation. And for the team wind, so what is the question? Why are forests are important in preventing soil erosion? So the answer. So by the way, team wind, what is your answer? Okay, you've got the correct answer. So uh, the answer, let us give them a round of applause for uh, team win. So I will give you points for your participation. So this is their answer. So the right answer there is that the forests are important as they slow down the flow of the water and the roots bite the soil, preventing soil erosion. Okay, for the team people and animals, what is your answer? Okay. Okay, very good. Team people and animals rather. For your participation, I will give you also a point. So, the answers here is that list an activity of people that prevent soil erosion. We can have a reforestations, plant grass and shrubs, build terraces, build drainages, and use erosion control blankets in slope areas. Okay, everyone, since for your job well done, let us give yourself a round of applause. Okay. So at this moment, class, I want you to get a 1/4 sheet of paper and answer these questions individually. So avoid cheating one another. This is an individual quiz. Okay? So direction, fill in the blanks using appropriate term from the box. So that is your questions, everyone. So please, good luck, everybody. Okay, for this quiz, I'll be giving you 5 minutes. Okay, alright. Are you done, class? Okay, now let us check your answer. But before that, exchange your papers with your partner. Okay, for the number 1, what do you think is the answer here? So, blank flowed through the soil and causes the soil to move from one place to another. Okay, very good. So the answer is water. Okay. For the number 2, this is the moving of soil from one place to another is called, okay, very good, soil erosion. Next, as the blank blows, it can carry away tiny particles of soil. So what's the answer? Oh, very good, wind. Okay. For the number 4, it can carry away soil by constructing roads and buildings. So what? Okay, very good. People. For the number 5, blank can carry away soil by dragging their feet on the ground. So the answer is animals. Okay. Has everybody got a perfect score? Okay, very good. Job well done. So, please pass your paper in front. At this moment, class, I'll be giving you 3 minutes to write your assignment. So your assignment is to find out how erosion shapes the land. That is uh, your task for that your assignment to be submitted next meeting. So now, who are the winners in our activity? So we have the team water. The team water got 100 plus 50 plus, you have a 200 points. So let's give the team water a um, fireworks clap. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Psh, psh, psh. Okay, very good. For the team wind, And the team people, since they are tie in score, so they have a 170 points. So let's give them a durian clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ha, ha. Okay, thank you everyone. That brought to the end of my uh, presentation. So thank you for your cooperation. So that was the end of my presentation. Everyone, thank you for your cooperation. And that's all. God bless.